Hello friends, welcome to Vishwa Tech Logic YouTube channel. So today in this video, let us see how we can get Amazon gift cards for free by installing the simple app. So before going to the video, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. So today in this video, I will explain you how we can redeem the coupons and how we can add the gift card to your Amazon wallet. So watch the full video, and if you have any doubts, please do comment down below and share this video with your friends and family members. So now let's get into the topic. So first of all, you need to download one app. So open your Play Store and search it for Mobile Expression. So as you can see here, I have already installed it, so you can use it. So here this app provide you the free gift cards, so you should install and keep it. So every week you will be getting an 8 credits. Once you reach the 80 credits, you will be getting you can redeem for 300 rupees of Amazon gift card. You can directly add to it. So in this video I will going to show you all this. So the main purpose of this app is this app will collect some data, so in order to show ads. So you will not get any ads from this app, so no need to do any task, any clicks, anything in this app. Just you need to install and register it. So once you reach for the 80 credits, you can redeem it. So now let's see how we can redeem the Amazon gift card. To get the credits, you need to install this app and you need to keep it. So every week you will be getting an 7 credit. So you will reach, once you reach 80 credits, you can redeem the Amazon coupon. So now let's see how we can redeem this. So to redeem the coupons, just open the app, so Mobile Expression. So it will redirect to the browser. So as you can see here, I got an 80 credit. So once you reach the for 80 credits, you can redeem anyway. So I will be redeeming the Amazon, so it will be worth of 300 rupees. Just click on checkout and enter your name here and the last name. So click on review order. So click on place order. So as you can see here, my order is placed and it will be credited. They will send the mail to your registered email ID. So as you can see here in orders, you can check it. For example, let's see, 2 to 3 days it may take, but it will take maximum of 24 hours. So I will add the payment proof also. So I got the mail from the Amazon. So let's see from which address we will get the mail. So here I will got after 12 hours redeem. So to check that, just click on updates. So here as you can see here, no reply, just tap on it. So as you can see here, fulfillment from the Amazon, just copy the code. So now I will show you how you can add this code to your Amazon wallet, this 300 rupees Amazon money to your wallet. So just open the Amazon app. So once you open, just click on 3 lines and click on the Amazon Pay. So as you can see here, I have a balance of 89 rupees. Just scroll down. So here you will be getting an option called add gift card. So just tap on it. So once you tap on it, just paste the code which you have copied from the email and just click on add to your balance. So as you can see here, I got successfully added 300 rupees to my wallet. So let's see the balance. Let's once go back to the Amazon Pay. So as you can see here, I have an 389 rupees. 300 rupees is credited to my account. So let's check the transaction also. So as you can see here, just now I haven't redeemed the 300 rupees from the Mobile Expression. So you can just install the app and you can get the free Amazon vouchers for the lifetime, friends. This is a lifetime. So I got nearly 10 to 12 times I redeemed this from the from this app. You can install this app and just you can keep it app and you can start collecting the Amazon gift cards for free of cost. So if you have any doubts, you can comment down below, and also if you have any problem with this app, so you can comment down below. I will help it with this. So you can go to the orders also to check the orders. As you can see here, there are so many orders I have placed from this app. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.